Hey there pizza lovers! Are you a fan of this delicious food? Today, we'll be exploring some interesting and surprising facts about pizza that you probably didn't know. So, grab a slice, and let's dive right in. A pizzeria is a restaurant focusing on pizza. Did you know a small pizza is sometimes called a pizzetta? Also, a person who makes pizza is known as a pizzaiolo. Foods similar to pizza have been made since the Neolithic age. Records of people adding other ingredients to bread to make it more flavorful can be found throughout ancient history, from the Achaemenid Empire to Greece. The first recorded instance of a pizza being delivered was in 1889 when a Neapolitan pizzaiolo, Raffaele Esposito in Naples, delivered a pizza to King Umberto I and Queen Margherita. The pizza was swathed in the colors of the Italian flag: red, tomato, green, basil, and white, mozzarella. This kind of pizza was then named after the Queen. Probably the oldest pizzeria in the world to still operate to this day is Antica Pizzeria Port Alba in Naples, Italy, founded in 1738. Did you know that calzones are folded pizzas, while strombolis are rolled pizzas? A pizza saver, sometimes referred to as a pizza table or pizza stool, is an object used to prevent the top of a pizza box from collapsing in at the center and touching the food inside. Secondary reasons for the pizza table include keeping the cheese and toppings in place during delivery, so the pizza will be in good condition when it reaches the customer. In elementary geometry, there exists a pizza theorem that shows that if two people share a pizza slice into any multiple of 4, and take alternating slices, then they will each get an equal amount of pizza, irrespective of the central cutting point. Believe it or not, there is a theory called the pizza indicator, which suggests that the performance of the stock market can be predicted based on the sales of pizza. The theory states that when pizza sales are up, the economy is doing well, and when pizza sales are down, the economy is in trouble. So there you have it, some interesting and surprising facts about pizza that you probably didn't know. Did any of these facts surprise you? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun and informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.